In this video, I'm going to share with you dry brushing, why it's a part of my routine, why I encourage you to try it as well, and how to do it. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. My microphone, test, is actually a dry brush. All right, jokes aside, dry brushing is a part of my routine and for skincare. It increases your blood circulation. It can help remove dead skin cells. Gross, right? Also, cleans out your lymph nodes. You know I'm a 16-year cancer survivor of lymphoma, so I like to keep those guys clean. They are like the cleaners. They take all the garbage out of your body and your blood circulation. So it's important to keep clean lymph nodes. And from a beauty perspective, my beauty warriors out there, dry brushing also helps to reduce cellulite. So this skincare routine will help to keep your skin glowing as well as smooth, soft, subtle, and insert any other S word there for you. Now you're gonna wanna stay tuned toward the end of this video because I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate. Woohoo! We have 1,500 subscribers, warriors strong here on the channel. So stay tuned toward the end for details on a giveaway with my friends over at Conscious Coconut. Now, you don't necessarily need to have this specific travel kit for dry brushing, but I am using the one from Conscious Coconut. It includes the dry brush and also a 3.4 ounce TSA approved coconut oil tube. Now, while this video isn't sponsored by Conscious Coconut, I am a big fan of their company and friend as well. For every Conscious Coconut product sold, they donate a meal to a child in need through Feeding America food banks. So it's a win-win for both yourself and for Feeding America. And once you get on a schedule, you don't really think so much about it. You can do this once a week, you can do it 3 times a week. You don't need to do it every day, but I find that my skin notices the benefit right after. So to get started, you're gonna need a brush, a soft a soft bristle brush of some sort. This one's great because it has a nice handle and it goes in the same motion that we're gonna be doing little circles. That's a preview. To note, when dry brushing, it is great to do either after you're fresh from a workout or after showering. Why? Your pores are open, so it's going to not only be easier to work the circulation of the blood throughout the body, and 2, when we add the coconut, the second part after this, it's gonna absorb into the pores a lot better. So brush in hand, here we go. You're always going towards the heart because we're talking about circulation. So starting out with the feet, you go in circular motions all around the entire body. Do counterclockwise there, that's okay too. You can do circle, 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 circle. Now typically, I won't be in a bathing suit. Typically, I will do this after I shower. I'm wearing a bathing suit to keep this PG. You can do the same thing on the other leg, switch hands, circle, circle, circle. It's soft, you don't have to do this really hard. You don't want to do this hard. Circle, circle. So your lymph nodes run all on the inside of the groin. We'll get to it later. It's also in your armpits, your neck, and some in front of your chest. So I get the butt good. Right, butt. Now, when you get to the stomach, you're gonna wanna go counterclockwise. So you keep that in mind. Counter. Remember, you're seeing opposite of me. You always wanna go up near the heart. I have a microphone on, so I'm gonna skip this area. But then we go to the arms. Same thing, you start at the hands, the wrists, and go up towards the heart. Now remember, I used to have these bumps on the back of my arms. This really helps to slough them off. Not slough like the animal, but to get rid of things. And then go up here, around my shoulders and my back. Do my back too. Let's do this side. So you may notice your skin kind of turns a red color, and that's okay. That's the blood moving through it. good thing. Here's where yoga comes in handy. And you reach behind. More Gomukhasana arms for you warriors, huh? Okay. Then I do my neck, because I'm very hyper vigilant about lymph nodes that are here, and I do the same thing on this side. This one's always more sensitive for me. So it doesn't have to be much, and it's not that long. Now you can go longer and deeper and stay in different areas if you need to, but for all intents and purposes of this video, you get the point. The last step, we add coconut oil on top. So you're just gonna squeeze out of the tubes, coconut oil in here. And I don't use a whole lot, but I'm gonna put this all on my body, so you gotta warm it up. Okay, and kind of in the same circular motion, I'll run it all on my body. Now, quick, quick, quick. Okay, then we rub it all in. Test your balance. Kind of a nice thing to do too before going to bed at night. Here you go. Skin soft. Belly. Don't get it on the microphone. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of these travel kits from Conscious Coconut to one lucky winner chosen at random. To enter and win, you're going to want to subscribe to my channel, Live Free TV, and you're going to comment in the comment section below your favorite self-care tip. Maybe it's dry brushing, maybe it's something else, but I want to hear from you. Thank you for listening into this. I hope this was useful and helpful. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. You're going to want to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration at Live Free Warrior. Stay tuned for more videos coming here, following my wellness journey here, home-based, and around the world. Thank you for being a supportive part of this channel. Besitos, mucho amor, tanto gracias, mil gracias. Peace.